You know, aquí in Houston, we have a saying, aprovecha el momento, seize the moment. And that's exactly what I'm doing this tax season. I'm only 24, pero ya, I've seen how one mistake can follow you, como una sombra, a shadow. But this year, mi gente, things are gonna change. I'm talking about my criminal record. Sí, lo admito, I messed up. Pero who hasn't? The thing is, no quiero que eso defina my entire life. So, I'm using my upcoming tax return for something big. Y no, it's not a new car or fancy clothes. It's something much more valuable, limpiando mi nombre, clearing my record. ¿Y lo mejor de todo? It's not even expensive. At Erase Your Record, they understand gente como nosotros. They know we're not made of money. So, I'm using just a small portion of my tax return. Es como usar un papelito, to get off of another paper, ¿sabes? It's a small price for a huge change. Pensándolo bien, it's more than just clearing a record. It's about taking control of mi futuro. Y man, how many times do we get a chance to really change the course of our lives? This is it, amigos. This is our chance to show the world who we really are, más allá de los errores del pasado. So, to anyone out there in Harris County, or anywhere really, who's been thinking, ¿qué hago con este pasado que me sigue? What do I do with this past that follows me? Here's my advice, don't wait. As soon as you get that tax return, head straight to Erase Your Record. ERASEYORSORD.com. Es tu oportunidad, man. It's your shot at a clean slate. Aprovecha esta chance, no for anyone else, but for you. For your future. Because at the end of the day, estamos luchando por algo mejor. We're fighting for something better. And that, mi gente, that's worth every penny.